Dear friends, I am M.A. Mustafa. Welcome back to 100 Pixels. The backlight is visible on the screen of the LED TV, but there is no graphics. This is the topic of today's video tutorial. Dear friends, I turned on the TV, but only backlight is visible on the screen. There is no graphics. This is LVDS to TTL converter. There is a 3.3 volt regulator IC for the power supply of this board. 5 volt input on pin number 3 of this IC and pin number 2 for 3.3 volt output. I saw in the IC that the 5 volt input is okay, but 3.3 volt output is not present here. So we can change the regulator IC now.